Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to show you how you can find your Spotify top artists without using any third-party applications, because I know some people don't like to connect their Spotify to third-party applications because they think it's dangerous. Some of them are, but most of them are completely safe. But if you just want to avoid that, this is what I'm going to do. It's built straight into the Spotify web version, so not the Spotify app. You actually want to use the website. So go to Chrome or anything like that, then just go to spotify.com, and then you want to click on login at the top right hand corner. So I'll just log in real quick. Okay, once you're logged into your Spotify account, this process is very straightforward and simple. So all you need to do is go to the top right hand corner where it says your username and your profile icon. Click on that, and then you want to click on profile. Once you're on your profile, you'll see it says top artist this month, and this is going to show you your top artists for the current month. You can see a number of them here. You also get the top tracks this month, so it'll show you the top 4 tracks, it looks like. But if you want to see the top artist and you want to get more, just click on it. Okay, so once you click on that top artist this month, this will show you the whole entire list of your top artists. And then straight from here, you can go ahead and let's just say you want to click on one of them. You can go ahead and listen to all their music, and that's pretty much it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.